Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is April. I go by Ruby Rouge here on the YouTubes. I apologize in advance about the glasses. I feel like I don't feel like I can see that I'm getting some glare on them. I don't really know how to accommodate for that. I don't usually film in glasses, so yeah, that's that. I'm being a little bit awkward and shifty. I feel like I'm kind of distracted by the glare, so I apologize. If you're distracted by the glare, I understand. If you have any tips, I'd love to hear them. I would love to hear them. Okay, so I got this box from Beautylish, and I was really tempted to get this because it's Wayne Goss box, and I've always loved Wayne. I've always appreciated his YouTube channel. It's a great resource channel just to watch. It's a great resource. I'm sure you guys have all watched a Wayne Goss video before. And his makeup line has always intrigued me. I've always definitely wanted to try something from his line. However, all of the products that have been released are kind of like classics, if that makes sense. And they're things that I just have so many of. I never really could justify at that price point wanting to buy. I don't know. It just never came together for me. So I saw this box and I was like, yeah, I want to buy that because supposedly I think I bought the $100 box and I think you're supposed to get $200 worth of makeup. I don't have any idea. It did say brushes were excluded, and as of right now, the box is still available. So as of Tuesday, 11/30, November 30th, this box is still available. If you are interested, they have a larger box. Let's see what's in here. Why am I talking so much? I did open it, I think. Okay, so I opened it and I took the shipping label off. Beautylish. Yeah, I'm really uncomfortable. Okay, so first I have this looks like samples. This looks like samples. Yeah, R&Co, television, perfect hair shampoo. So this is something that Beautylish just added in the box. I did already say that there is not going to be any brushes in here. They did make the disclaimer that no brushes. And that's a little bit disappointing because I mean I love Wayne Goss brushes, but I also don't need any more. So let's see what we got. For $100 I have mauve. Do you guys say mauve or mauve? I say both. I usually say mauve, I think. Medium nude. Oh, I'm gonna like this. Natural berry and obsidian, and these are all lip liners. Lip pencil, lip pencil, lip pencil, eye kohl. So I have 3 lip pencils and an eye kohl. Let's do the eye kohl first. This is obsidian, black. You can't go wrong. I might not. Ooh. Oh gosh. This feels really nice. Oh, what a nice, just easy black line. That was easy. That feels really good. I'm excited. I have this feeling, I've always had this feeling that his products were going to be really nice. I just never got around to trying them. Oh, this one's pretty. Wayne Goss, the Essential Lip. This one's in mauve. That feels nice and creamy. I kind of needed, all of my lip pencils are getting old, so honestly, I'm at a place where I could probably just get rid of the majority of them. Let's see, I already have gotten rid of the majority of them. I could probably just replace them with these wonderful, lovely pencils, as long as they're nice. This medium nude, oh, that's beautiful. So yeah. And then natural berry. Doesn't look as bright as I was thinking it was going to look. Oh yeah, that's just like a pink nude. It's not that terrible bright. Okay. Oh gosh, there's more. Okay, this is another eye pencil. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Okay. Oh. Rich hazel. Okay, oh, that's pretty. It's kind of like black, but it's I don't know, it's got a little more depth to it, so that's really pretty. Like a, I don't know, what is it, like a purple or it's got a warmth to it as I think what I'm looking for. I'm avoiding looking at the camera, I'm sorry. This video is so awkward. It's like a bad first date. She didn't look at me the whole time. I don't know, did I have something on my face? This is in walnut, and I don't know how I'm feeling about this color already because it looks really warm. Ooh, pretty. So I did pick medium as well. That one's a little bit warmer than I would like, but let's see what else. I feel like they put some thought into these boxes. Either that or I just got a really nice one. Hibiscus. Oh, this box is. I hate it. This box is. Anybody else stress out about their boxes? And oh, this is a lip gloss. Oh, this is pretty. It's just a nude lip gloss. It smells a little bit minty. I don't even know. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Sorry, and my hair is all like jacked. All right, there's two palettes in here. Oh, no idea what they're going to be, and I'm going to have this all over my shirt. Does he have, I think he has a face palette, so I'm betting one of these is like a cheek palette. Yes, the Radiance Boosting Face Palette. The boxes are a bit difficult to open here. Trying not to tear them up is the problem. Which I think that's kind of a makeup thing. Have you guys noticed that? It's like they don't want you to be able to open the box without tearing it up. Ooh, I love this. I love the way it feels. This is nice. Kind of reminds me of Hourglass, but it's even more sleek because it's just a square. Ooh, beautiful colors, guys. These are beautiful. Oh yeah. I don't know, can you see those? Like perfect cool tone bronzer or cool tone contour and then a bronzy color. These are perfect. Perfect colors, and they're not super, super, super dark, but they're not terribly light. Oh, telephone. I think it's a scam. Let's see. Hello? Okay, nobody was there. Okay, anyways, I love these. They're kind of a satin finish. They look like they will be absolutely beautiful and perfect. It's just, you know, like I expect that from Wayne. I do. I haven't actually tried any of these things though. Let's be real clear. But just based on like looking at the products, touching them, seeing how they swatch, I mean, I feel a certain way. Okay. And same exact palette with the eyeshadow palette. Which one did I get? I don't even know. Imperial Topaz. This is the one with the blue, maybe? Let's see. Kind of hard to open. I have fingernails too. So. Oh no! Look at you. Look at you. I mean, these are, I love this. And the silver and the mirror with the mirror. I know that, like, let's see. See the silver with the mirror and the mirror? Like, that's really cool. It's like a big continuation of the mirror. It looks really nice. Beautiful. Let me get a wipe. So here's this before I wipe it off. I mean, absolutely just perfect neutral. This would have been a really good gift. Like, I feel like I want to go run down and buy another one. Which, of course, I mean, I have no idea. You don't know what you're going to get in each box. I'm curious if they're all different. I'm sure that they are. I mean, this rich, rich black. Oh my gosh, that is super nice. Yeah, kind of a satin. that's pretty. I mean, these feel very much like any other high quality or good, I don't know how to put that, high performing eyeshadow that I have. They kind of feel, they have a lot of silicone in them, but they feel drier than I would expect to the touch, but you can see, I mean, they have kind of a sheen to them, so you can see that they do have, I don't know if it's silicone, I haven't double checked that. Let's see. Synthetic fluorophosphate, yeah. And the second ingredient is silicone. So you can feel it in there. I don't know if I'm gonna love that. We'll have to see on the eyeshadows, but yeah, sometimes I feel like that makes shadows a little bit patchy. Anyways, don't know yet. I have no idea. I will try this. I'm so excited. Alright guys, that was the box. Tell me what you guys think about that. For $100, I got an eye palette, a face palette, contour. I got a lipstick, a lip gloss, 3 lip pencils, and 2 eye pencils. I'm gonna say it was worth it. I'm gonna say I'm very, very happy with the box. Like I said, it is still available on Beautylish. I'm not sponsored. I ordered the box, all my own money. I wanted to get this out here to you guys just in case it was good or it was bad. And you were on the fence about it. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if you got this box and if your makeup was the same as mine or if it was different. I'm very curious. All right, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.